It is raining cats and dogs today. How do we say it in Spanish?
Está lloviendo a cántaros. Está lloviendo a cántaros. Llover a cántaros.
To rain in Spanish will be
Llover. Llover.
and it is raining?
Está lloviendo. Está lloviendo.
While the end of the phrase means to jars. It is raining similar to how water could pour from huge jars.
Está lloviendo a cántaros. Está lloviendo a cántaros.
Oh no, olvidé mi paraguas.
Y está lloviendo a cántaros.
Oh no, I forgot my umbrella. And it's pouring rain.
Date prisa. Está lloviendo a cántaros.
Hurry up. It is raining cats and dogs.